we're out here on Whiskey Slough. We got the 8-foot Berkley big game with the Tsunami 4000 30-pound line for bait, and for the own swim baits I brought the Daiwa North Coast, the Okuma Azores 20-pound braid. I think this is a 8'6" rod. Right, we're gonna do some fishing and cook some food and see what happens. Nope. Alright, so today we got Two Hearted IPA from Bell's, American IPA 7%, and then they're out of Michigan. It's alright. We got duck and a little steak today. Get our pan heated up. Some olive oil. Got oak on the fire. duck breast here on the fat side. Alright, so here's the finished product. We got the duck, the crispy skin on it. We got the filet, cooked about medium. Put this rub from Tracy on both of them. We switched the fire over to oak for the coals. Got the potatoes there. A little bit of olive oil on the pan. That's it. Looks pretty good. Alright, we've been out here for a while. We had our dinner or lunch. Only got one bite on my rod. We're gonna work our way out and throw swim baits. We'll just hit different locations on the way out doing the loop here. Throwing a swim bait right now. Talking about your swim bait that you always use.
Yeah.
The same damn one you always use.
Yeah. Got a lot of fish on it, especially around the tubes. Or,
what is that? Grizzly Island or Montezuma?
Montezuma Slough,
where you and Steve used to go. And you use these at Red Rock too, right?
Excuse me?
You use these at Red Rock too, out in the bay, right? What makes it? I know you're giving me some. I think that's Storm. I'm giving you other ones, but you refuse to use them. You just use this thing all the time.
This one's a Storm. This color works really well too. This color combination.
Yeah, chartreuse.
Yeah, and it's a 4-inch bait, but it works really well. I've got a lot of fish on it, on this one especially. I mean, you know.
Don't you super glue them back together?
Yeah.
Sometimes.
It's not this one. Yeah, maybe
No, I think it's a fresh one.
Yeah, this is a fresh one, yeah. It works really good. Got the Montezuma Slough right now. Duck season's over with, so you can go out and walk the roads out there. And if there's pipes out there discharging water, when they're discharging water, the stripers will just run in there and feed on whatever's going through the pipes, and you'll smoke them, man. It's great. Good fishing.
So I think we'll reel up soon and we'll just hit a couple spots with the swim baits
Okay, that's
on the way out of here.